Welcome back to the second part of milling a 6 by 12 by 32 pine beam. This will be our second video where we milled it on a Woodland 122 with a 16/6 bed. Here you see us, we upgraded this time. Now we got us a lifting strap and we got it chained to our Barco log loader. It made it a whole lot easier. And in this video we're going to cut through a little bit more of the leveling. You know, we used the water level again. You can see there we would level off of the bottom of the log to the bunk, and then we would make our first cut. And then once we make our first cut, we'll turn the log around, and then we use the water level again to level it. And on the next time we cut, we will go off at the top of the log. These pine trees we harvest off of our own property. About 8 years ago we cut our property, but we left several large pines because we knew that we was going to be cutting them down to saw them up. Here we had the log was just a little too big, and our guide was hitting the side of the log, so we just trimmed her down a little bit and make her a little skinnier. If you'll notice at the far right side of the log at the end there's a block, and we have a 20-ton bottle jack under it, and that's what we use for a tow board to get our log, you know, picked up on one end to get it level. Yeah, here the blade was just a little dull. We had to get us a new blade on there. It was time to get it sharpened. And as we did like on the first video, we will cut several slabs through there, and then we'll cut the ends off. Sometimes we'll cut 2 or 3 at a time before we pull them off of the log. Since we got this lifting strap, we choke the log with a strap, and then we run a shackle through the top of the strap, and the chain will actually go through the shackle, so the chain's not actually on the strap, it's on a metal shackle. It makes it a whole lot easier to balance the log like that, and you can just spin it around. The family, they did a real good job. They worked pretty good. You'll see here we'll get the log in place, and then we'll get another strap, and we will pick up the end of the log so we can get the jack under it so we can start doing the leveling to get our cut right. This second log, we learned a lot on the first one, and it went a whole lot better. I think we shaved about 2 hours off of our first log that we cut. This one was 2 hours faster. That water level, I never knew how handy a water level was until I actually built one and started using it. I mean, you can use it for anything. You get that water at the level you want it, and you just measure off of your bubble, so it don't matter how far out you go. You know, right there I got 50 foot on it, but I got a splice in the middle, and I got another 50-foot hose I can put on it. So, you know, it does a real good job. Here we'll turn the strap around on the side of the log, so when we pick up on it, it'll choke it and it will spin the log around for you. Alright, here you see we're lifting up the beam. We're getting ready to put it on our trailer where the other 6 by 12 by 32 foot beam is. On the trailer we got two that is 6 by 12 by 16 and a half, and we got 14 posts that is 6 by 6 that is 16 and a half, and we're getting ready to build our sawmill shed.